If you don't have any editing skill, still you can create passport size photo in few seconds. So let's get started. So first, come to this website, open this website, and I will provide the link of this website in the description and in the pinned comment. So click on this select image button and select your image. This one. So here you can see different sizes of passport size photo. So every country have different size standard for passport size photo. So here you can see India, Australia, Euro, UK, Pakistan 3.5 cm to 4.5 centimeter. This is the standard size. If you are from USA, Philippines, you can select this, Canada, or you can set your own size. So I'm going to select this 3.5 into 4.5 cm if you're from India. Now click on next, and from here you can crop your face and make it passport size photo like this. Don't select whole body. And from here, the best thing is you can increase or decrease brightness. Actually, you can color correct your photo, increase, decrease saturation, contrast. Now click on save next button. And now, if you have any background in your photo, this will be removed from here. So you can use the original, or you can use this one and change your background. Like here, go to this checkbox and see the background is changing. You can put any color you want. Now, in some forms, they want you to write your name and date. So you can use this. Click on this and write your name and date. So now your passport size photo with name and date is here. I don't want name and date here. So I will uncheck this and click on this download button. If you want to submit your passport size online form, you can download this and use this for online form. Or if you are going to use your photo, if you want to print your photo and use that photo on offline form, you can print it from here. And honestly, this can save you a good amount of money. If you go to a photo studio, they click your picture, edit it and print it, which usually cost around 200 to 300 rupees. But if you already have a decent photo, you can just upload it here and create a proper passport size photo yourself within seconds. So if you are going to print your photo at home, and assuming you have A4 photos paper, A4 size photo paper, then select this and download this and print it. And this will print your passport size photo on A4 size sheet. And if you are going to lab and you want less photo, suppose 8 photos only, so click on this custom and 8 photo will be print on 4 into 6 inches photo paper sheet. So we have to write the size here in mm, not inches. So I am going to convert this. So here I have converted my photo. So here I have converted 4 into 6 photo size in mm. This one is 10.6 152.4. So write it here 101.6 152.4 mm. Now click on make. See, 8 photo is ready here. Now download this and go to any photo lab and they will print it for you at very cheap cost. And there are multiple size photo paper the photo lab use. I will provide all the sizes in mm here on the screen. You can use any size from here and download it and go to your photo lab. They will print it for you. So if this video helped you, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell notification icon so you can see more tutorial like this.